back to the channel. As you can see, I'm on the move again. We're actually going out for another excursion today, going off for a day trip. Just taken a train to Hoofddorp, and then we'll take another train off to Leiden itself, and I'll show you around there. I've just come into Schiphol Airport. I'll be doing this in a few days' time.
Station is Hoofddorp. Station.
Jane keeps telling me I'm impatient opening the doors. The public transport in the Netherlands is so easy with the tap in and tap out technology for payment. And within 5 minutes our connecting train arrives.
I just arrived at Leiden Central. Looks like a lot bigger city than Haarlem, you get the feel. Certainly the train station was a lot bigger. It's definitely a lot busier. Everybody's coming off the train, they're all streaming this way, so it's 10 o'clock in the morning, we can't work out where everybody's going.
I've mapped out a short circular walk tour to take in some of Leiden's sights. The flag on it suggests there's wind, but no turny-turny as they say.
Late autumnal sun. Beautiful, nice and warm. It's been a bit chilly just the last few days. The sun's come out today. Got a nice feel to it. I think all those people we were following were students actually. So there must be a university around here, I'm guessing. That building in the centre there is a museum. I'll put the name of it on the screen. There's that one there. If you're in the air, it's not that far from Central Station. That's the Hartiebrugkerk Church, right in the middle of the shopping area here.
Hot chocolate was good, but not as good as the Haarlem experience the other day.
Has to be a bank. It's got keys at the top or something, treasury. Now a restaurant.
It's a weird shop selling various liquids like absinthe or mint, etc.
This is an ancient fortress on a man-made hill, this was. So it's seen a few sieges apparently over the years, but it now looks across. I guess it's a high spot over Leiden in reality. So I'd definitely say Leiden's bigger than Haarlem, and it probably feels more like Amsterdam than Haarlem because there's just more canals, a lot of designer shops, independent shops. It's very pretty, obviously blessed with a bit of sun today, which always helps. It's very pretty. A willow tree always looks nice, but the roots can be very evasive if you got them by your house. Just going to go through this little garden over here, or garden, little park area I would say. I don't know who he is. I'll put it on the screen. It must be important to have his own statue in the middle of the park. So this park here is the scene of an 1807 gunpowder explosion which actually devastated the city. So we're coming to the old observatory. It was actually built in, believe it or not, 1633, and it was the centre of Dutch astronomy at the time.
Time to treat ourselves to lunch.
Please support Stuart's channel if you are enjoying the content. He also has a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description if you want to support further.
Trappist. It's a Netherlands beer apparently. Blonde beer. It's my Australian burger. James had I can't remember what it was now, 12.5 hour meat platter I think. I think this is a meat bun. 12 o'clock.
It's not 12 hours.
12 hours.
I'm never sure if I should cut a special burger up or pick it up and wear it. You tell me what's the etiquette.
I'm just saying that that part there, you can see the Toyota, the gold one, is parked right near the edge. I don't think I'd trust myself. Anyway, we really enjoyed that meal at the park house. It was a nice little bar meal. Burger was great. Jane enjoyed hers, so I highly recommend it. I'll put the location on the video. We're just going to head back now to the train station and go back to Amsterdam. So I hope you've enjoyed this little short, really trip out. I think there's a lot more to see in Leiden, to be perfectly honest. It's got a nice vibe to it, nice relaxed vibe to it. Lots of shops around, lots of canals to see. Definitely more canals than Haarlem. Yeah, if you're out this way, highly recommend coming out to it. Catch you later in the next episode.
In answer to the thumbnail, Jane preferred Haarlem and I preferred Leiden. So I guess the answer is, if you're here, do both and decide yourself.